video, I want to share with you how you can make millions of naira investing, buying into this newest waterfront estate in town called the Ambiance Foreshore Estate right here in SANGOTEDO. Please kindly stay to the end of this video so that you don't miss these ideas I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share with you practical ways on how you can make millions of naira buying into this estate, this newest waterfront estate, the Ambiance Foreshore Estate right here in SANGOTEDO. If you're coming here for the first time, please, I will strongly recommend you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my content. My name is ISONG. What I do is to give property that have the potentials of appreciating very well, and when I see good property, I bring it to this platform. That is why you need to subscribe so I don't miss my next video. I want to thank some special set of people. These are my special clients who believe in me, who always come to my channel to watch and decide to buy property through me. I want to tell you thank you. I appreciate you. 95% of my customers are Nigerian in diaspora. I really appreciate you. Believe in me, we not even see me physically. You believe my recommendation and you buy this property through me. I want to tell you thank you. I really appreciate you, and I promise to give you the best kind of information in this channel. Once again, I'm telling you thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please kindly stay to the end of this video, and I know you'll be glad that you do. Before I start sharing with you how you can make money from this Ambiance Foreshore Estate, let me tell you this thing. I was listening to Anthony Robinson some couple of months ago, and he made reference to some certain things. He said things repeat itself, pattern repeat itself, and what will make you to move from the level you are to the next level which you are is the ability to recognize pattern, to see pattern, and to use pattern for your advantage. So I want to share with you some pattern that have occurred in the past in this Lagos industry with respect to this kind of property, waterfront property. I have several patterns I want to share with you, several examples I would like to share with you, but I will just share with you two so I don't take much of your time. The first case study I want to make reference to happened to be a very popular estate called the Metro B Estate. It's a waterfront estate right in SANGOTEDO. This estate, when it was launched around February this year, it was going for 6.5 million naira for 500 square meter. Those that bought it at that February, early this year, and now this is October, which is 6 months after, those that bought into that particular estate, the current price is 10.5 million naira. What this means is this: those that bought it have made a profit of 4 million naira. Note, 4 million naira is over 50% profit, which simply means that, assuming, or let's assume that this particular estate do not even increase another 50%, but only increase another 25% increment. That means that those that bought this property 6.5 million now, by this same time next year, the property will be 100% profit margin, which means that they can sell that property at 13 million naira, which is 100% profit margin. Where can you get this kind of offer if not in Lagos real estate? This is just case study 1. Wait till the case study 2 for you to understand better what I'm trying to let you know. The second case study I want to make reference to is the Lagoon front estate in Ekpe. In July 2021, it was opened up to the market at a pre-launch price of 5 million naira for 500 square meter. As at today, October 2022, The 500 square meter is now 20 million naira. In case you don't understand what I mean, what that means is this: the price has increased from 5 million naira to 20 million naira. That is 300% profit. What it means is the 5 million naira that was invested last year is now 20 million naira. Wow, where can you get this kind of profit if not in Lagos property? And not just any old property, but a waterfront property. Waterfront property is very scarce. And let me give you the good news. These two properties I've mentioned are not even as better as this Ambiance Foreshore Estate I'm letting you know, because this particular estate have a better title than even the both of them. So how do you make money from this Ambiance Foreshore Estate? I will let you know. Let me give you this hint. If you decide to buy into the Lakeview, for example, which is 40 million naira now, what this means is at the 31st of October 2022, this same month, not next month, this same month, the price will increase from 40 million naira to 50 million naira. That means that you make pure 10 million naira profit within a space of weeks. Wow, where can you get this kind of opportunity? This is just even the smaller part. If you decide to even invest now, this property, I'm very sure, 100% sure, that by this same time next year, this property will be selling double the price which you are getting it now. What this means is, if you decide to get the one of 35 million now, for instance, which means that by this time next year, there's every possibility that 35 million naira will be 70 million naira. Check it out. That is how waterfront property appreciates right here in Lagos. Would that tells you that this is an opportunity for you to get multiple plots in this Ambiance Foreshore Estate right here in Lekki. Can you see the money? I'm not trying to cajole you. I'm just showing you the practical money in this estate. Check it. It has happened the first time. It has happened the second time. It will always happen. It's a pattern that exists right here in Lagos real estate. Let me quickly tell you the features you will enjoy if you buy a land right here in Ambiance Foreshore Estate. There will not be any water disturbance because we're going to put in the 4-line protector that will protect water from coming into the estate. You have lake view. Your kid can have an area where they can play. There will be CCTV surveillance camera center to watch your estate. Security is top notch. You can easily view the Lagos Lagoon view. There will be inbuilt swimming pool. For some of you who want to swim inside the real water, there will be snorkeling available for you. There will be electricity, 24-hour security, supermarket, football pitch, and also there will be a resource center for you to enjoy yourself. Let me quickly let you know the landmark around this area. We have the Crown Estate, the Emperor Estate, the Novary Shoprite Mall, the Lagos Business Queue, the Tesoro Bay Jetty, the Imo Resort, the Omo Creek, the Pilika Resorts, close by to these houses. Just look at this picture. This is where the land is, the Ambiance Foreshore Estate. Just look at this, not far from the express. Just look, you will see the Novary Mall, the Elevation Church, and some major landmark around these houses. Is not far from the express. This is where the land is, right here in SANGOTEDO, the Ambiance Foreshore Estate. Take a look at the way the end result will look like when we finish this Ambient Foreshore Estate right here in SANGOTEDO. So like I said, the location is SANGOTEDO, and this land have C of O. So let me let you know how you can get a plot of land right here in Ambiance Foreshore Estate in SANGOTEDO. Please kindly stay till the end of this video. Let me give you the full information. To get a 300 square meter all inclusive, which means there's no extra payment attached to the payment of this land, is 21.5 million naira. Then a 500 square meter is going for 35 million naira. And if you want your land to be by the lake view, is 40 million naira, and it's all inclusive. A lake view plot right here in Ambiance Foreshore Estate, the amount is 40 million naira and it's all inclusive. And you can start with an initial deposit of 5 million naira. Then you can spread the payment. There's outright payment, and there's also 6-month payment plan available. But there's sad news. The sad news is this promo for Ambiance Foreshore Estate in SANGOTEDO will end on the 31st of October this month, which means that from November 2022 the price will increase. And let me give you what will happen in future. I'm telling you what will happen. This project have the tendency of doubling your money in 1 year. The reason is because it is actually a waterfront property. I know waterfront property in Lagos, Nigeria is very hard to get. So if you have an opportunity just like this Ambiance Foreshore Estate to see a waterfront in an area where things are happening already, I would strongly recommend you just take that little faith, that little action by depositing 5 million naira and spread your payments in the payment plan that will suit you. Don't wait until you have everything, but just take that little step, that little faith. And I know if you put your mind in getting this waterfront estate in Ambiance Foreshore right here in SANGOTEDO, you'll be glad that you do. Let me let you know this quickly. Owning a waterfront property in Lagos, Nigeria is like you owning a house in or a land in Aso Rock, because the rate at which waterfront estates appreciates in Lagos, Nigeria is massive. And to crown it all, the company behind this estate, Ambiance Foreshore Estate, is a company that is quite reputable, that you can put your money in and you are rest assured that your money is at the safe hand. This land have good title, and which make it very secure for you. You don't have any challenge with buying a property right here in Ambiance Foreshore. I would strongly recommend that you call the number on the screen. My name is Dennis ISONG. What I do is to give you properties that have the potentials of appreciating very well. And when I see a property that have the potential of appreciating very well, I present it to you, and I expect you for you to show that you understand what I just said is for you to pick your phone and give me a call. My name is Dennis ISONG. I really want to help you, to assist you to get a land right here in Ambiance Foreshore Estate, a waterfront estate that you will not know that it exists. If not, I bring this video to you. So give me a call. Let me help you out. I will really want you to watch this video again, think about it, and take action. I know some of your friends will also want to get this kind of property. Share this video with them. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would strongly recommend you subscribe to this channel so I don't miss any of my next video.
My name is Dennis ISONG.